July ni som thum sang ni som ni paruk ani breaking news United States lampang te hian Iran hi an be chhunzawm le tange nge ani Donald Trump an warning a pe a hetiang hian in United States sipai te hian in an bom le hek mai ni heng wange kan ti chuan in Iran lampang hian Jordan anin ka ria ha United States sipai te kham missile manga be tum le ni he United States lampang ina ni som pathum chung zet Iran an be an chol san nuwa hanin dor leila hanin bele ila tia diplomacy kha chan san peve ani katinga hanin biak na vel khamon soi rem thei an soi fel thei mai ring khan katinga hanin biak na vel kha chance pelea khati mek lai khanin Iran chuan in United States sipai te kha missile manga be lo tum ringa ta chu tu na hianin United States te hianin phuba an ron la le ta ani tikha chuan in anin do chhunzawm le charchar mai thei ani or ye ka
Chief Foreign Correspondent Trey Yingst live on the ground in Tel Aviv.
Trey Yang, let's go. Israel changin chiang le viewang.
Yep, hey guys, good morning. 12 hours after President Trump warned Iran would get a beating, U.S. forces unleashed heavy airstrikes against the regime.
Poimo heavy airstrikes. United States te hian jet fighter mangin an be ni. Donald Trump an warning ape pota, warning ape nu. Darkar som pani an ral meu chuan United States jet fighter sipain do thona te an te chuak ta Iran hi an bom hek mai ni bom satli ni lo he chu phuba lak na an na khop mai ni.
Dozens of targets were hit, including
dozens of targets ani chuanin atam be vi wanga target hi mo panga changa som chu ni kring lo ai tam dei ni kring
IRGC military command centers, drone and missile facilities inside of Iran.
IRGC command center IRGC sipai ten omle nual mai thei ni khatiang command center an be lai khan mo chuanin drone ka chuana te da that na te
along with remaining maritime capabilities. US
remaining maritime capabilities Strait of Hormuz long manga oil phur long te Iran sipai te na anti boy thei na tur ang tiang hey an ral thuam la nei ve ang mo long te poniang khang te khatuna hian in United States Central Command lampang chuan in an target ani.
Central Command released a statement saying CENTCOM forces successfully completed a heavy wave of strikes against Iran in response to yesterday's attempted missile attacks on US forces.
Hi poimo attempted missile attacks te hi mo Iran lampang hian in US sipai te hi abe pon la be lo hey be chu an tum an kap fulo lo intercept vek kamahanin attempted mo an be lo ting chu lo Iran te hian amaro chu khatianga Iran ina anti awang hrim khan United States te chuanin anti podi mai thei ni mo chuwa chu ti tak kana hian in phuban la ta ni. The strikes aim to further diminish threats posed by Iran and its proxies to American forces, commercial shipping and neighboring Gulf countries. Hey, pamangko maya ama United States ina ni som pathum chung zet Iran an bom rep truba an thil tum ngai khatuna hen la tum reng thawani Iran ina ral thuama nei angang te Strait of Hormuz a longkal tang te ta na a hlom lo le zual nan a hlom to lo nan te tin Middle East a Muslim ram dang te ta na Iran enge an hlaom na tlema an ti niam thei deuh na tur tan te khang atan te khanin United States hian in hetiang hian in ma ala ni be pui thla ka nei.
The strikes aim to further diminish threats posed by Iran and its proxies to American forces, commercial shipping and neighboring Gulf countries.
Iran hi zo mo an Muslim ram pui lo po ngai to lo America sipai omna ni phot chuanin be tap kap tap mai zela ni New Zealand renga Iran lampang hian in Chinese mi pakhatan that renga tani hetianga US base be antum na lampanga hian hetu video da kan ri kang.
Earlier in the day, President Trump told Fox News, "We're going to beat the effing S out of them," after the Iranians launched a surprise missile attack on US forces in Jordan.
Donald Trump hian in atong kam amang na view maya a warning pe na hanin hey we are gonna beat the hey tong kam moi lo deu tianga soidon chuanin hey sensor ngai ang chi kha khating khan na deu mai khanin amang ani ka ngai dana chuanin Trump pathau khan ngoro Iran kha be to su ni som pathum kan be to a to hri in hanin dor le photangu ti tu kha Trump ani khami thupek pe tu kha Trump ani khatiang khanin Trump an Iran chunga that achua amar chu khatian in dor lai reng khan Jordan United States sipai te kha Iran lampang hian in lova be an tum le a mo chu wan chuanin Trump kha angai dan ani don lo reng ani hetiang hian in that kan chua kan bom to lo wa nga tinge mun le thate te po in bia kan du lo le te po ti mai thei ni Trump hian mo angai dan ni lo vi win ka reng ani.
Later spoke from the Oval Office saying this.
tu Trump
We
tu
can hit
soi
him very hard. I mean, I can actually say that because in that there's very little they can do about it.
we're gonna hit them very hard na takin kan be do ni hi confit takin ka soi ngam a chan chu engwang ma ti thian nei lo chu ma chu na takin kan be do ni mai nei ti ni
It was a different group than we're dealing with. They've already apologized, but you know we got to smack them a little bit.
Mr. President, will we hit back when they strike?
Will I always hit back?
Yes.
Pretty much. Yes.
an rot be che zo nin in be le le do ni ma ti te reng mai en ti ni te reng mai en ti ni
The comments come as diplomatic efforts have been unsuccessful so far, and the region waits to see if the war will expand.
kha nia ni som pathum a zon han be kha be tlang mei tur ania khatia nga momentum thatak an dei khan han chol sana eng ma thil tha hi an soi chuak don chuang si lawa he tianga han in negotiate ha in dor kol vel na tang hian mo he US le Iran te hi Pakistan hi palai Pakistan te Oman te heng ho te hian in palai na hin thok ha ma ro zo effective lo ni tu da hi chuan Iran hi chuan in an ti tur hi an ti zel don ni na langa chu wang chuan in ke ya ngai dan ve mai mai a chuan in United States te hian in ti hian in an be don ro ni chuan in be chun zom char se ti khan ya amar zo thil pakhat pui mo ve de wo mani heta hi mo US-in Iran ram chunga sipai target ati chennem to lu toka a bom chennem to lu toka chu wang chuan in sipai military targets kan ti ang chi kha han ti chiat bel vak tura nei to lo ni drone da thatna te missile da thatna te heng te hi khoya tak nge Iran hian in an da thati hi United States hian in an thret hei big lo ti chu achianga a chan chu tun thleng hian in Iran hian in missile te drone te ila kap chuak ve the reng thawai po ni se an soi tum ber chu military targets hi sipai mun Iran sipai mun an ral thuam te hei te ati chentem to chu wang chuan in be chun zom zel don ni se civilian infrastructure entinan leite rail te airport te khati angchi sipai ta na poimo ve tho amaro chu civil mi te na an man na sat jok angchi kha target tur chu an langa ni United States lampang hian amaro chu United States sipai te na hetianga an beyan i chuanin thu pe tu chu Donald Trump ania Trump na hetianga thuwa pek chuan civilian infrastructure a target a beyan i chuanin hei hi chu war crimes atling do ni chu wang chuanin nakina Donald Trump hi hetianga military targets be turo om to lo nu powa Iran rama civilian infrastructure target tura thuwa peleni chuanin Trump hi thiam lo chang dai thei ani chu tiang vel chu ni tu da an din mun hi mo an bom chen ne to lu tu ka tu na hianin che fak ngai na hi an se to lo lek ni te pon report oma hi chu karing hemi hi chu karing a chan chu United States hianin kumin February March thavel tang to khanin an bom char an bom chen ne to don lo tu han bom chiat bel fak tur point ni pon karing to lo chu ta tak chuanin civilian infrastructure khan target thei big si lo mo hi an tan pon a boi khak ve vi win karing United States tan te po hian Iran la hi tlom du der si lo mo
Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu met Wednesday with Secretary of War Pete Hegseth. After the meeting, Netanyahu said this at a meeting of Christian Zionists.
To na hianin means se chu Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu le Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth te hi an loin muwa khatia anin nuwa khanin Benjamin Netanyahu hen ti hianin a sai ani tho.
And what I ask you is only one thing: stand up, be calm, don't cower. And you know, when you're faced with an attack, what do? Attack back.
Zam su man rot beijing zoning an beile tang.
That's all. That's my long speech. And you know, I'm very grateful to you for your consistent support, for the constancy of your friendship. And now it's time to fight. That's it.
Benjamin Netanyahu hi chuan in Indo hi chu ala du ni na ranga enge Indo hine a thalawa Indo lo thei chu a tha amaro chu Iran chungchang bi ga hi chuan in Indo pui mai lo chu du than tur po hi an nei fak po hi na lang lo ni Israel le US te po hi mo te US te po han indor le chinila an te khatia an han indor lai khain biak lai vel khat Iranian rod ka ple a chu wang chuanin Indo mai lo chu United States po hian in du than tur hi an nei chi pon ka ring lo ya dan
Here in Israel, the military remains on high alert, preparing for the possibility the conflict expands in the days ahead.
Israel lama tangin ron report ha hepa hi chuanin Israel hi chuanin kan sipai te hi anin ring khop mai to na hian a chan chu indo na hi tu da US le Iran indo na hi adar zau thu thei ania chuwang chuanin kan lo in ring rock le atiari khami kha tu na breaking news ani he 13 minutes ago ni hian fresh rem le si be le khati zong kha ani video lagin hule theu do ni